Hello, my dear students. In the last from the last two lectures, we have solved formation of a differential equation. We have form of a partial differential equation using solution. So here I put a few examples in front of you. You just try to solve one by eliminating arbitrary constant as well as arbitrary functions. Out of these few examples I will solve here in this session, and in the next session we will see the solution of partial differential equation topic. So here few examples I put in front of you. You just try yourself so that you will clear your concept. Have you seen the examples? No need to read it. So you just write it down and try to solve it. Now I will solve this example. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square equal to 1. I will give the solution in this lecture of this problem and some more problems if possible to cover in 10 minutes. Okay. So you just try to solve it. We will take this example for the solution. So here the example is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square equal to 1. This equation is given and we have to find partial differential equation associated with this solution. Now here three constants are given, but where variables are only two. Here three constants a, b, c, three constants are there. But which are the variables? Only x and y are the variables because z is function of x and y to get p and q clearly. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x and with respect to y only. Okay, let us differentiate partially with respect to x. Differentiate partially with respect to x. Clearly, differentiate partially with respect to x. So differentiate. What is x derivative of x square? It is 2x upon a square plus derivative of y square is 0 plus 1 upon c square as it is. What is derivative of z square? It is 2z into dou z by dou x and is equal to 0. Understood it? Now we just write it in a proper way. This implies, yes, take 2 common and cancel. I get x upon a square is equal to minus z upon c square dou z by dou x to get cancelled, right? Now transfer this c square to this side, LHS, and x to RHS. So I get here c square upon a square is equal to minus z upon x dou z by dou x. Clearly. Now to eliminate this c square upon a square, again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate partially with respect to x. Do it. 0 is equal to, here u into v rule, make it simple, minus z upon x into p. If you write in this way, then also it is good. You will get in terms of p. No problem, because dou z by dou x is anyway p. Okay. You use this one or this one, no problem. Yes. Now x at the denominator and zp as the numerator. Use u upon v rule. So here minus sign as it is, x into derivative of this term. What is derivative of zp? Yes, u into v rule. Derivative of z is dou z by dou x, p as it is, minus plus z as it is, dou p by dou x, right? Minus zp as it is. What is derivative of x? It is 1 upon x square. Understood this derivative? Here I use u into v rule in between and u upon v rule. Clearly. Now take minus sign. You may take minus sign common and cancel, no problem, or you just multiply minus sign inside. But here x square at the denominator, transfer to here LHS, it becomes 0. So I get here 0 is equal to minus x dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x is p into this p plus xz dou p by dou x, clearly, and minus minus plus 2p. Clearly, p into p square, or you may take p common and cancel, no problem. But we will keep as it is here. What is my answer now? I get xz dou p by dou x, means dou z by dou 2z by dou x square. Dou 2z by dou x square, or you may write zp dou p by dou x, no problem. Then here, yes, minus xp square, minus xp square, then understood it, plus 2p is equal to 0, right? Or I get here this minus sign to both, here it is minus, means this one is minus, or you may take minus sign common and cancel. So get the answer. Solve one more example. Here example is z is equal to f of x plus 2y plus phi of x minus y is the solution of a differential equation, and we have to find that partial differential equation. So differentiate with respect to x. What will you get? Differentiate with respect to x partially. So dou z by dou x is equal to, yes, f dash of x plus 2y plus phi dash of x minus y, because derivative of x is 1. Clearly. Now differentiate, call this equation number 1. Now differentiate with respect to y. What I get? With respect to y, yes, 2 into f dash of x plus 2y. Derivative of f is f dash x plus 2y, and derivative of 2y is 2, plus here phi dash of x minus y into minus 1, means minus sign here. This is your second equation. Understood? So I get here dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y term. Okay. Here it is phi dash. Phi dash of x minus. Just a dash we have to take to indicate derivative. Okay. But from these two equations we don't get any idea, because in the second equation 2 present here and minus sign appears. So we can't get from these 3 any idea. So we take one more derivative. Differentiate this dou z by dou y with respect to x. Differentiate is second equation. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So what I get? Dou square z by dou x dou y. Derivative of dou z by dou y with respect to x we are going to take. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. 2 as it is. What is derivative of f dash? It is f double dash x plus 2y with respect to x. So derivative of x is 1, plus, in fact minus sign is there, so minus 1. What is derivative of phi dash? It is phi double dash x minus y, right, into 1. Still I don't get any idea. So this is my third equation. I don't get any idea from this also. Now I differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 means I am going to find double derivative of each one with respect to x. So what I get? Dou 2z by dou x square is equal to, yes, differentiate with respect to x, f double dash of x plus 2y plus phi double dash of x minus y. Only that much, only because derivative of x is 1, so no change. Again differentiate this second equation with respect to y. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to y. So dou 2z by dou y square is equal to, differentiate with respect to y. Yes, do it. Tell me. 2 into, again 2 appears, so it is 4 f dash of x plus 2y. Correct. Next one is minus minus will become plus phi double dash of x minus y, because again minus 1 comes, minus minus it become plus. So this is my equation number 4 and 5, right? If you observe equation 3, 4, 5, then you will get the idea. What is the idea here? Tell me. Anything you understood here from 3, 4, 5? Yes, any idea? So that we can write down the equation directly. See carefully. Here 4 is there, and in the fourth equation there is only 1. So if I multiply equation 4th by 2 and add these two, or 4 is there and 2 is here, right? So subtract these two equations. Equation 5 minus equation 3, what I get? Equation 5 minus equation 3, I get 4 minus 2, I get 2, 2 into f double dash. Then here 5 double dash minus minus plus 5 double dash, so 2 into 5 double dash, and I have to subtract this, so minus 2 into equation 4. So it is just a trial and error, no any method. You just see the concepts, see the values and adjust the terms. What we did, question equation 5 minus equation 3, these two, and minus 2 into equation 4, you will get your answer. Do your calculation your own. Dou 2z by dou y square minus, yes, dou 2z by dou x dou y minus 2 into dou 2z by dou x square is equal to 0. So in this way, many times we have to find the answer. Okay, hope you have understood each and every step. In the next session, we will see solution of a partial differential equation. Thanks for watching.